I know I've done this car quite a while ago, but I love it. It's a 59 El Camino. And I don't know why. You know, some people either hate the 59 or they love it, but, you know, it's got the cat eyes in the back. Hey, cat eyes. Hey, I like cats, right? So you got the front where the hood is. See that? That's cool. He's got the windows all rolled up and stuff. I mean, I don't even need to look there. I know it's a 59 when it's sort of backed out that. Looks like it's a automatic, but a floor shifter. Nice wood interior. Wood interior. Wood bed. Gas filler up over there. And there's the unique styling of the 59. I love it, man. This thing's cool. But you know, you're amazing, back then they were always changing all the models, like completely. Like today, they just, everything's molded out of plastic or something. And everything back then was made out of steel. They had to, you know, they didn't have CAD CAM computers. They were doing these big artist renditions and on these big, I don't know, sheets of paper and stuff. And then they'd have to mock it up in clay, you know, before they would get into production. I mean, no computers, no robots, you know, everything was hand calculated stuff. And they're coming out with more models and more designs. You would think with all that work they had to do without the computers and the CAD CAM computers and you know, everything else they have today, robotics and manufacturing, where they could just probably change a little bit and you know, they'd be stamping out a different steel shape, and plus everything's plastic today. And you would think they wouldn't have so many different models. Every year they were completely changing stuff practically, coming out with new innovations. Today, see, I think what really killed innovation today is you got the big money jerks, and they just, you know, they're high and mighty, and everybody, you got the middle management that tries to keep your head up their butts, and everybody else is a serf, right? That's why we ain't going freaking moving forward anymore. Just think about it. You know, it wasn't just the cars. I mean, oh, the technology's better today. Well, you know what? With today's technology, they should be coming out with way fancier interiors, fancier cars. There should be more models available. There should be way more aesthetic options available at a lower price. With all the stuff they got today, the way they can manufacture stuff. Back then, they were doing way better with everything being done by hand. Think about it.